guys, we just got off of the Holland America Volendam and we are now in Boston.
Woohoo! And join us later as we head to a Red Sox game this evening.
And tomorrow we fly to Ireland to catch our ship to move full time into the Villa Vie Odyssey.
Woohoo! That's funny. There's Bunker Hill. Hey kids, here we are in Boston at the oldest bar in the United States. Established in 1795, the Bell in Hand Tavern. That's fine right here.
And look, your burger came.
Woohoo! Today we're trying UFO Blueberry, brewed right here in Boston. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. We've got some friends right here.
You want to be on our YouTube? Hey, girl.
Starstruck. Back to the Blueberry UFO. It's amazing. Very crisp. A lot of blueberry flavor. One more shot. Oh, great for a sunny day here in Boston. I'm gonna give this one an 8.5. Cheers, folks, and remember, drink responsibly. Let's see how this black and blue burger pairs with the blueberry. That's amazing.
Buffalo chicken salad. A little nervous. Smells hot. I'm not trying it on camera.
hope you liked coming along with us to Fenway Park. Up our trip here in Boston. The city was amazing. The weather was amazing. We got to ride the subway, and we got to go to Fenway Park. It was incredible. Another bucket list item checked off of my list. Angela's idea, though, boy, and I'm glad she suggested it. Well, and then later on, we head to the airport and we head to Ireland for our new full-time life on Villa Vie Odyssey. So super excited about that. And remember to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And below in the description, you can check out all the information about Villa Vie and what they have to offer. The link is in the description. And if you book a segment or purchase a cabin through the link, you'll get a handsome onboard credit. Thank you, Boston, and we'll see you on the flip side.